we beats when you put your hands on me. Time goes fast, but yet so slow. I leave all thoughts, yeah, I let them go. 'Cause I'm here with you, and all I need is you. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world, we're lost. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world, we're lost.
Let's get sprayed down, Ash. I forgot him. Made it back to Timor Leste. Now off the flight. Just had all our gear sprayed down, and now we're just waiting to go through this kind of magic cube thing. I don't know if it's going to spray us down again or check our temperature. And cleanse. Okay, we can now officially enter. Let's do it. So we've been through customs, we've got all our luggage, we've been through security, and now we've just met our driver for the quarantine, and waiting for one more person, and then we're going to head into quarantine. So yeah, 2 weeks of quarantine coming up.
Don't need to feel anything but you floating in my bloodstream. Time goes fast, but yet so slow. I leave all thoughts, yeah, I let them go. 'Cause I'm here with you, and all I need is you. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world, we're lost. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world, we're lost.
Hey, dear glass. So overall, yeah, really impressed with the return to Timor Leste and the process that we went through. So once we touched down on the runway, walked off, all our possessions were sprayed by people in suits and with masks, and then you walk along towards the visa application place, and just before you get there, you walk into this cube where your hands were sanitized, you had a scan or photo taken of your face, and then into the second part of the cubicle where you were sprayed once again and disinfected, and then you get your visa, and then you go through to a medical specialist to check all your paperwork, that you have the right COVID test, that you have the right approvals to come into country, and then through immigration, collected our luggage out to the car park, and there the transportation for the quarantine hotel was waiting for us, so they drove us here to quarantine, and now, yeah, 2 weeks of quarantine.
No, you made it win. Cheers, cheers.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit like, it really helps to promote it to more people. Drop me a comment below and say hi. And also hit subscribe if you want to see our adventures once we get out of quarantine and what we get up to in quarantine. Cheers guys, we'll see you in the next video. Yeah, it is. Timorese coffee back in Timor.